Yo guys, so welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you 2 ways to charge a GoPro camera. So the first way you can charge a GoPro camera is by connecting a USB-C cable directly into the camera. And to do that, I've got a GoPro Hero 9 here. We're going to flip open the door where the battery and the connection plug is, and we literally need to pull down on this toggle, and it's usually quite tight because obviously it's watertight and water sealed. Once that flips open, you'll see the battery is inside there and then the charging port is underneath. Grab your cable, make sure that the end is plugged into a mains cable or a laptop or an external battery, plug it directly in, and then you should see a flashing red light on top of the camera when the GoPro is charging. You'll see it on the back of the screen as well. And you can check the camera's battery capacity by simply turning the camera on, and at the top right hand corner of your screen you'll see what percentage it is currently at. It'll tell you it's USB connected, and then it'll tell you what battery percent it's at. The second way to charge a GoPro battery is by using one of these external battery packs, if you like. So this is one that I got off Amazon. There'll be a link in the description below where you can go and grab one of these, and this will charge 3 batteries at the same time. So if you're looking to go on a bigger trip, or you need just more batteries and you want a backup of spares, I'd strongly recommend getting one of these like multi-charger battery packs, which has a little cable on the back and a little display screen on the front, so you can see what percentage charge each of the 3 batteries has. And all we simply do, we take the battery out of our GoPro, and there's literally, we open the same door, it's got a little tab on the battery which pulls out, and then the battery simply goes directly into this. It'll only go in one way as well, because the GoPro battery is made just one way, so you can't put it in the wrong way, it's impossible to do that. And then you simply just plug this into your mains, your external battery, or your laptop. And those are basically the 2 best ways to charge a GoPro camera. If you want any more information on how to level up your GoPro skills, check the link in the description below. There's a link to my online course where you can learn how to get the most out of your camera. Take care guys, and make sure you leave a comment and a like below if this video was useful to you, and we'll see you in the next video.